Na basi mtazamaji, ningependa tuelekee moja kwa moja katika majengo ya Bunge ambapo leo hii kikao cha kamati ya Bunge kuhusu marekebisho ya sheria za kiutawala inaendelea, na basi kuna kikao ambacho kinaendelea pale, na anayefika mbele ya kamati hiyo kwa sasa ni Katibu wa Usalama wa Taifa Raymond Omolo. Hivyo basi hebu tuelekee pale tusikize.
Full and constitutional. One would not go behind it of whatever else could have arisen. Simply if a document has the president's written word and the seal, it is lawful. Now, an hypothetical situation. If the president were minded to sign an order, executive or otherwise, or create a law, create something which denies the rights of citizens in one way or the other, something that the Attorney General is adverse to, or the Attorney General has given advice against it. But just because the President's office has the seal, and of course the President also has his hand to write, he then writes, and because the seal is just next door, he appends the seal. But despite the fact that the Attorney General was adverse to it, it becomes lawful. Don't you think that it would seem that that is what the law was creating to, separate or, disperse the risks? You go to a bank and you find that a bank, to get into the safe, you have to get 2 people or more to be able to open the seal. By good advice that probably the 2 people may not be at the same place to open that seal. Don't you think that this could be the reason why the Constitution dispersed, the law dispersed the powers on who holds the custody and who actually does it? And 2, is there a law, in my recollection, that says that the public service is the custodian? That word, custodian, does it appear in any law that then the public service is the custodian of instruments of power? That is one. Now, number 2 is about this changes to the assumption office, right? You say that you should have PS in charge of interior instead of PS in charge of immigration. Whatever else they are doing, did you go back to the law, the foundation that created the law, on the one that proposed the PS in charge of immigration, and find the rationale, right? Or has the rationale changed? If, for example, the immigration person was there because he would want to determine people who come from Tanzania at that particular time, or make it easy for persons that, visitors that are coming in, so that they get their travel arrangements, just in case that was the fundamental reason. Has that changed that now you require interior, and interior is internal. Now you require persons who will give you intelligence about what is happening around. Has that changed? Okay.
Na mtazamaji, ni picha za moja kwa moja kutoka katika makao ya Bunge ambapo leo hii kikao cha kamati ya Bunge kuhusu marekebisho ya sheria za kiutawala kinaendelea, na tutakuwa tunakupa maelezo zaidi